Welcome along guys, welcome back, and today is Fuseboard change day. So what we have is our old wireless board up there, and that will be coming out and being replaced with a fuse box, and I'll talk you through all that later on. But first of all, we're going to put you into time lapse and we're going to get this work completed. Right guys, so board is out. Didn't take very long at all. A few kind of issues where the CPC's been twisted together from a couple of different circuits. Not really ideal, so I had to go find some green and yellow sleeving. Everything is pretty much ready to go back together, apart from the fact that the new board doesn't fit in the old hole, so a bit of adjustment required there. Put you back on time lapse and we'll get the next part done. welcome back guys. As you can see, fuse box has been replaced. Inside there, I'll just show you quickly, few circuits off. They are not connected. They are the circuits that we are going to be effectively putting into place over the next couple of weeks. Solar has still been left lying and unterminated. That'll be the next little project. We've decided to go with the give energy, so I'm going to wait until we have all of the metering and things in place so that we know exactly where cables need to go. So that's been left determinated and is empty in the MCB. Got all my little plastic kind of bits and pieces out of the way. Testing done, certificate ready to go. Okay, so while I earned a cup of tea, delicious after a couple of hours of not being able to have a cup of tea because of the kettle power and everything else being off. So we've now got all our test results. Need to do the NICEIC Electrical installation certificate for the new board. We need to notify the works and we need to record all the readings and stuff. So I'm going to sit with my cup of tea and my iPad and do all of that. I've got a couple of labels to fit, so I will be back shortly with the brother label maker and we'll get those labels on. Welcome back then guys. So what we have is we have our little app and we have all of our labels made, and we have gone with one of the pre-built distribution circuits within the Pro Labels brother app. It is connected to my printer. My printer is here on the floor, and what we're going to do now is literally click the print button. I'll do this so you can see. Connected to the printer, and then just like magic, that machine starts to print out the label. Now what we have is labels on, lid is just currently in the up position, so you can see now just how well that has effectively spaced all of the parts out within the label maker. And we didn't label the spare. The only reason we didn't label the spare is purely on the fact that if you have anything you want to add at a later date, take the cover off, do what you need to do, and if basically you can redo your label and make it all nice rather than just having one of those small little squares just stuck on the end there. That's pretty much the day done, so I'm going to get to edit this video. Hope you've all enjoyed this one, and next is hopefully, weather permitting, will be solar on the carport.